Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these smart robot vacuums coming from RRE. V-Slam navigation, gyroscope. The best one to get right now. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now, I already opened it to do a test run. Make sure everything works fine. Easy to set up. Make sure you know your Wi-Fi password, and that's about it. So, works with the iOS, iPhone, or Android. I already got it set up. The app is going to be called Tua Smart. Really nice manual. Great details. Explains everything, how to operate it, and to keep it clean. So here's the goodies it comes with. This was on the back. You can do washing your floors with. So this is Velcro, and you can fill it up right through there. There's a little hole. So, alright, there's the bottom. I'll show you how to put it on. Remote control. Comes with 2 AAA batteries. And then it comes with a brush with this little hook to get inside the grooves. So got that. Comes with an extra brush. Here's the charging base. So I'm gonna put that aside right now. And you get an extra pad because I already got it plugged in. And you can charge it up to the robot right here. So here's all the good stuff. Sorry for the smudges, but I was messing around with it, figuring it out. Power button, home button to charge. I think it's like the gyroscope. You lift that up, bada boom. There's the magnets, and then reset button right here. Hold that in. It'll show the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi, and you can lift this up. That's where you empty it. Put that back. Turn it on. Whoa. See? And it. Let's call him Robot. There we go. Then it's going to show where it's at. Really cool though. This is powerful though. Shows how much electricity you do. Wall. It's going to follow the wall. Whoa. It's like Batman. Do. That is cool. We'll do Spyro. Whoa. Huh. Spinneroonie. You can see it. It's like a radar. Go, go, go.
Cleaning finished. Automatic cleaning. Indoor environment recognized successfully.
I don't know what she's saying, but sounds pretty cool. Then of course you could hit it to charge base. You guys can see it because of white balance. Charging base, you could just hit it too. But I don't got mine hooked up. See? It'll find it once it you have it set up where you have it set up. But this is so cool. I'll cut it short today for this video. pretty much covered. You can pause it,
Finish.
and then it should show right there. Click it on, and then you could call it by whatever name you want to call it. I'll just call it Robot for now. And it's really easy to use, guys. So, really cool. Check them out. RRE. Available on Amazon. Link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.